The Bosch PHG 500-2 heat gun has a rated power input of 1600 watts and it's designed by Bosch for the DIY use. It's intended for forming and welding of plastic, removal of paint, and the warming of heat shrinkable tubing. The on-off switch has two preset heat options to regulate airflow and control temperature. The gun has a built-in thermal protection shut-off switch. If overheating occurs, the tool will automatically switch off the heating system, but the blower will continue to run. This will assist in cooling the tool down to its operating temperature. The heating protection collar on the front allows you to hold the gun near the nozzle for better control without burning your hands. The air intakes are on the side, not the back, as this is designed to act as a stand to use with hands-free options. It's also a safety function when you're finished with the gun and it needs to cool down. If you found this clip interesting, like it and share it. You can also subscribe to our Builders YouTube channel to stay up to date with all the latest product reviews as well as DIY projects.